Hello everyone, today I'm just gonna quickly show this monster truck toy. The trucks doesn't come with it, not all of them. I think just one of them came with it. So we had a lot of monster truck toys and I just put all of them here. So this is cool, fun toy. This thing, the monster can turn around 360, you can see, and here it has some back here on the back side. Once you hit this, it just destroy whatever in front of it. So it's something kind of cool. And here you would just put the cars here and you can just push one side all the way down and it can release the cars, the trucks. And similarly, same thing here, we just put one here and press it down and try to do the same thing. This part also moves, as you can see. When you do that, the big guy is just slamming, trying to smash everybody around. So that's how it looks like. And here this somehow does the similar thing here. Let's show you guys here. You would just put the truck here and release it in there. So this is kind of fun toy my kids like, and they spend good time with it, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys. Thank you for watching.